This isn't just a classic, it's a 402 V8 luxury cruiser hiding real muscle under the hood. In a world where modern cars feel too perfect, too digital, and too disconnected, there still exists machines that remind you what real driving used to feel like. And this is one of them, the 1972 Chevrolet Monte Carlo. A car that didn't chase speed records, it chased presence, style, and raw American road dominance wrapped in luxury. Under the long sculpted hood sits a GM 402 cubic inch V8 engine. Big block power, built for torque, built for effortless cruising with authority in every press of the pedal. And in this example, it's numbers matching, meaning the heart of this car is exactly the one it left the factory with decades ago. Connected to that engine is the legendary TH400 3-speed automatic transmission. Smooth, durable, and famous for handling serious torque without breaking a sweat. Every shift feels deliberate. Every gear change feels like a wave of controlled power rather than aggression. Power flows to a 12-bolt rear end with a 2.73 gear ratio. Not built for drag strip chaos, but for highway dominance. Long-distance cruising, where the engine hums low and confident while the world passes by in a blur of chrome and asphalt. Step outside and the presence hits immediately. Dark blue paint that reflects light like polished midnight. A factory-correct black vinyl top that gives it that unmistakable early 70s luxury coupe identity. New chrome accents wrap the body with precision, catching every bit of sunlight like jewelry on steel. It's not loud, it's confident, it's classic American elegance on four wheels. Rolling on BFGoodrich Radial TCA tires size 245/60R15. The stance is period correct and aggressive without trying too hard. Power steering makes it glide through corners with ease, while front power disc brakes and rear drums remind you. This is old school engineering done right. Open the door and you're transported back in time. A full black interior surrounds you. Bucket seats hold you in a relaxed, laid-back position. A center console with a staple-style shifter sits between them like a piece of mechanical jewelry. Wood grain trim stretches across the dash, reflecting a time when interiors were designed to feel warm, not sterile. Black carpet, factory door panels, seat belts front and rear. Everything here feels intentional, preserved, respected. Turn the key and the sound is not just an engine starting, it's history waking up. The 402 comes alive with a deep, heavy idle, not raspy, not high-strung, but rich, low-frequency muscle that you feel in your chest before you even hear it fully. Underneath, the car tells the same story of care. Painted frame, clean floorboards, restored trunk floor, a fresh exhaust system paired with Flowmaster mufflers gives it a deep, controlled American V8 tone that builds with every press of the throttle. Front independent suspension absorbs the road like a floating land yacht, while the rear maintains that classic planted muscle car feel. This isn't just a car built to be looked at, it's a car built to be driven, to be heard, to be remembered. And thanks to Vanguard Motor Sales, this Monte Carlo comes with a streamlined financing process, making it easier for enthusiasts to step into a piece of American automotive history without complication. Because cars like this aren't just purchases, they're experiences, they're memories waiting to be made, and this 1972 Chevrolet Monte Carlo is ready to write its next chapter on the open road.